Okay, so I was getting a four-wheel drive light, brake light, ABS on my 2005 BMW X5. So I Google searched it, and looks like it was one of these guys. It's just a motor for your transfer case that basically puts it in and out of four-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, whatever. So I'm going to show you how to change it. So you just gotta get under the car here, and look at your transfer case, which is here. Let's see. There's gonna be two plugs on it. If you get the, I got a used one off eBay. On eBay, these, I think I got this one for $175. If you go to BMW, $1,100. This one is used, so it's a gamble, but they give me a 1-year warranty, so I'll take it. There is this bar here, so I'm going to attempt to do this without taking that off, because if I take this off, you're going to have to mount something here to the ground that will support this. You could put a jack here or something. Probably not a huge deal, but I'm gonna try to do it without it, because what we have is a couple of plugs. So let's take that off here. And then this plug goes here. Pop that off. Those are easy little tab ones. Then what we have, let's see if I can get you a light. Okay, that's better. And what we have is these this funny looking reverse Torx looking bolts. Never seen them before. Don't really work on BMW much. But take those 4 out and the whole thing should come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a shot here. Figure out what size I need here, but I can access, just to show you here, I have enough room to get to 1, 2, 3, 4. So I mean, there's no reason to take this off. It just slides off, pulls out, put the new one on. But we'll see. Never done this before. Okay, so it looks like, even though these things look different, I'm not an expert here, but an 8mm regular socket goes right over top and seeds on there really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to take it out there without stripping it. This is kind of a... So I was successful on taking this out and putting the new one in. It was really easy, but I totally lost the recording of me doing it. So basically, the 4 bolts come out, it slides out, comes out easily without taking that support bar out, this thing right here. I read a few things saying that you had to take that off. You do not have to take that off, and I don't even understand why they do it. It makes no sense. Literally 4 bolts on either side, or just 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Pull them out, a couple inches long. The thing comes out easy, and the other one goes in easy. You just kind of turn it a little bit, make sure you get those, like the teeth into the gear. But I mean, it was really easy. Put it back on, put the 4 bolts back in, plug it in, and you don't even have to reset anything. I started the car and the 4-wheel drive light, the ABS light, and the brake light was off. We'll see how long it lasts. I got a 1-year warranty on it. I don't know if anyone else has a 2005 or near that BMW, but I wouldn't recommend spending $1,100 and paying a shop $500 to put it in. That's what my quote was, $1,800. It took me 30 minutes, and 10 minutes of that was finding my jack that was buried behind a bunch of stuff. 4 bolts, 2 plugs, and it's easy access. I was able to use an extension on my socket and ratchet. The very far back bolt, I had to get a like a deep socket, one of those, I guess I don't even know how long it is, 1.5 inches. One of the ones you use for like a spark plug or something, you know, the longer ones. I used one of those because I didn't have a short enough extension, because I was kind of hitting this little rubber sound barrier thing. But it was a piece of cake. I just grabbed an 8mm and took it out, put the other one in. It was really easy, and I would not be afraid to do this myself, which I wasn't. And on a hardness scale of 1 to 10, I would say it's a 2. All right, have a good one.